Welcome to the 3CX Quick Start Guide presented by Voxtelesys. In this video, we'll demonstrate how to configure IP authentication in 3CX. This will be configured in the Voxtelesys SIP trunk. To begin, click on the SIP Trunks tab in the 3CX Management Console. If you haven't already created a SIP trunk, click on Add SIP Trunk. Select US as the country, Voxtelesys as your provider, and your Voxtelesys phone number as the main trunk number. Click on OK. Enter Voxtelesys IP as the name of the trunk. Fill in the IP address provided by Voxtelesys in the registrar/server/gateway hostname or IP field. Fill in the number of SIM calls field with the call limit provided by Voxtelesys. In the Type of Authentication field, select Do Not Require IP-Based from the dropdown. Leave the Authentication ID, aka SIP User ID, and Authentication Password fields blank. Scroll back to the top and click on OK in the upper left. Congratulations! You've successfully set up IP authentication in 3CX. Check back for more helpful videos on 3CX, as well as other helpful guides.